water kayak, you do it like this.
Yeah.
Here.
Mm.
And very seldom in this. How to do it in a lake or sea? It's more a round paddle like this.